F101 racing cars are just turtles when compared to them. Did you know the fastest bird in the world can dive at speeds of over 240 miles per hour? Meet the peregrine falcon. When it tucks in and dives, it's like a feathered bullet. But wait, there's more. The golden eagle can reach speeds of 200 miles per hour during its hunting stoops. Imagine racing down the highway, and this eagle is right beside you, easily keeping up. And then there's the gray-headed albatross. It might not dive as fast as the falcon, but it can glide at a cruising speed of 80 miles per hour for hours on end. That's like a bird doing a long-distance road trip faster than your car. So next time you think about speed, remember these birds. They make racing cars look slow.